What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, someone can read your thoughts? Not a metaphor, not a conspiracy theory, real technology, real programs, real government money. In 2024, the Pentagon allocated over $3 billion to neural control programs. Simply by being near a device the size of a smartphone, your thoughts become data, your fears, your desires, your memories, all of it. Readable text on someone else's screen. DARPA officially confirmed the development of devices capable of intercepting electrical brain signals from distances up to 100 meters. This is not science fiction. This is next year's budget. European governments have classified over 40 neural surveillance programs since 2018. And now the scariest part. All of this is only number 5 on the list of technologies already being used against you. That means out of 10 of your thoughts, 8 can be read. Today it's called neural interface technology. Elon Musk's Neuralink is just the tip of the iceberg they allowed you to see. Simply by being near a device the size of a smartphone, your thoughts become data, your fears, your desires, your memories, all of it, readable text on someone else's screen. In 2023, scientists at the University of Geneva officially published research proving the possibility of decoding thoughts through real-time MRI scanning. Accuracy, 82%. That means out of 10 of your thoughts, 8 can be read. Now, imagine this technology not in a university laboratory, but in the hands of a military department with an unlimited budget and zero oversight. It all started back in the 1950s, Project MK-Ultra, a secret CIA program for controlling the human mind. American soldiers are testing telepathic drone control using thought alone with zero physical movement. Beneath the surface exist programs you have never heard of. DARPA's Program N3, a wireless neural interface capable of reading and recording brain activity without surgery. Thousands of people were subjected to experiments without their knowledge. Drugs, electroshock, hypnosis, all for one single goal, to learn how to control the human brain. In 1977, the US Congress officially acknowledged the program's existence. China is already implementing neural monitoring in workplaces and the military. Technology is already embedded in your phone, in your television, in the air you breathe. Even your smart baby monitor can be a decoder of your thoughts and a transmitter. Now imagine this technology not in a university laboratory, but in the hands of a military department with an unlimited budget and zero oversight. Beneath the surface exist programs you have never heard of. DARPA's Program N3, a wireless neural interface capable of reading and recording brain activity without surgery. But here's what they didn't say. MK-Ultra never stopped. It just changed its name and got new technology. If you think this sounds crazy, that's exactly what they're counting on. Because while you doubt, the system is working. Mind control is 5th on our list of technologies. What are the first 4? Subscribe, because the next video is about technology number 4. And after you see it, you will never pick up your phone the same way again. You have been warned.